Hello guys, welcome back to another video in the React.js training tutorial series. In this video, we are going to discuss about introduction about React.js. So first and foremost, what is the primary agenda that we are going to discuss in this tutorial? First, we'll be starting with what is React and then why we need to learn React. And then we will be discussing about what are all the features that is available in React, then the training curriculum and then training process. And of course, when I discuss about the training curriculum, I will be covering training process as well. So in this video, we are going to discuss all those things. So without any further ado, let's start with what is React. So React is nothing but open source JavaScript library used for building user interfaces specifically for single page web applications. And of course, React is a library was developed and maintained by Facebook. If you are not aware of what is a single page application, don't worry, we will be discussing that. React allows developer to create large application that changes the data dynamically without reloading the page. And of course, there might be a chance that you get confused about reloading the page, processing the dynamic data. Don't worry, don't get confused. We will be discussing about how the data changes dynamically without reloading the page. And at the time, you will be having a very clear understanding of how React works behind the screen. Yes, of course, React is faster comparatively other frameworks in the industry. It supports JSX syntax and TypeScript. And JSX is nothing but it's JavaScript XML. JSX syntax let you write HTML syntax in the JavaScript itself. TypeScript is a language that's a kind of advanced JavaScript with tightly coupled with the data type. So these are all about React. So next we will be discussing about, of course, we know what is React. We need to know why we are learning it, why we spend our time understanding React. Of course, we do have some kind of the things, right? That's what we are going to discuss. First is high demand in the market, and of course React developers are very high demand in the market, and we can develop components that could be reusable, big community support, whatever the requirement you are about to achieve with React, and that can be easily achievable with the help of big community support. Yeah, we will be having almost every package is available because of that awesome community. React plays top in the industry market. And then learn and use everywhere. Once you started understanding React web library, you will be able to develop mobile application with the React Native. If you wanted to develop a Windows based application, that can also be done with the help of Electron. So once you understood how the React works, you can develop whatever the type of application you want. Web application, mobile application, Windows application. Yes, of course, that's what the liberty given by the React, and that's why it is still high demand in the market. And of course, big performance issue. Yeah, as I said, it's one of the fastest library in the market out there. Then we will be jump and understand the features of React. First feature is virtual DOM. You might have heard a concept called DOM, but this is virtual DOM. We were discussed about the performance, right? That performance is actually achieved with the help of virtual DOM only. Supports JSX and TypeScript. That we know, we already discussed. And then states and props. We will be discussing whatever the features that we are discussing here, like states props, unidirectional data flow, hook methods, server-side rendering, routing. Every concepts I will be teaching with a video that specifically discuss about the theoretical concept of what it is, and then another video that practically discuss about what actually the concept is. That's how we have planned this course. Cross-platform supports, of course, we discussed it, right? Once we started understanding the React, you can able to develop mobile application, Windows-based application, web application. That's what the cross-platform is all about. That's all the things about React. So we will be met in the next video. Till then, take care, stay tuned, bye.